In this video, we will show you how to fix the touchscreen sensitivity issue on your Samsung Galaxy A73 5G and make the screen more responsive than before, as well as protect it from accidental touches. If you notice that your phone is no longer as responsive as before, then you simply have to increase its touch sensitivity. To do that, pull up the apps drawer and then tap Settings. This will bring you to the main settings screen. Find and then tap Display. A bunch of display settings will be made available to you. Scroll all the way down to find touch sensitivity. Once found, tap on the switch next to it and it will immediately be enabled. You will notice that your phone is now more responsive than before. However, it will have a tendency to execute touch commands on its own while it's in your pocket. To prevent that, enable the accidental touch protection option by tapping the switch next to it. So now your phone is more responsive and protected from accidental touches. We hope that this simple guide can help you one way or the other. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.